it's almost like you sort of, excuse the terminology, but it's almost like you sort of penetrate the bubble almost. Because when you watch, so if you didn't know 40K and you maybe were watching someone play Space Marine 2, you can kind of roughly see what it is, but there's a lot of stuff going on there that would make no sense, like cherubs and servitors, and it's all very strange and disturbing. And or if you'd watch someone playing 40K, I think South Park did a bit on seeing people play 40K, and it makes no sense if you don't know what it is. It's just people saying
just looks
things.
really weird.
Yeah, just really strange. But once you sort of dive in and you get in amongst it, you feel you're like, oh yeah, I'm part of this little world, and it all makes sense now. And yeah, of course, cherubs are a thing.
It's quite funny you picked up that cherub thing, because that is now a thing on, I think it was on X, all these people who are just playing Space Marine 2 with no familiarity with Warhammer are picking out all of these really bizarre things. And you are like, yeah, I know exactly what that is.
Oh, that's really disturbing. Yeah.
Why is the dead baby flying?
Yeah.
That's a damn good question.
Yeah. I mean, that's a whole podcast in itself, like disturbing things from the 40K universe that you don't find disturbing anymore. Yeah. Because everything's so extreme.
That's a great episode. My mind instantly was like, oh, flesh borers. Like, what?
I'm writing it down. Things that 40K are disturbing. Because everything's so extreme in 40K. It's not like there's no pink. This is the other thing about 40K, is that if you ask a lot of people about other universes, fandoms, whatever, you'd say, would you like to live in that universe? Yeah, it'd be great. Yeah, I'd love
like Mass Effect. That'd be amazing to live in.
Yeah, Mass Effect. Okay, good one, because it's sci-fi. Like, oh, that'd be great. Like, you've got all these different factions and all these different powers and technology. Would you like to live in the 40K universe?
Just a gentle silence.
Not a chance.
Because even they're like,
there might be some, again, like you said, because it's so vast, there probably are some planets where they're living a wonderful little subsistence lifestyle, farming, a few little animals around. There probably are some nice places.
Just Hive Fleet Kraken is descending on the planet,
because that's ignorance. The other side of it is, even if you do have a blissful life, then the warp is real in the 40K universe. So after you die, the chance of ending up in Nurgle's garden or something is quite high anyway.
Yeah. Sidetrack. I think it was Malkador. Luton quoted this and talks about it. Malkador was comforting, I want to say it was a dying sister of battle. She's like, oh, I'm at peace because the Emperor's waiting. And he's like, yes, the Emperor's waiting. And after she dies, he said, oh, I hate lying to them.
That's so brutal.
Yeah, it's grim.
I probably butchered that quote, but that's the essence of it.
It must be a lot of fun to write for characters like that. After when you've got 30 years worth of lore, to then be like, just break all of it with a sentence almost.
Yeah.
Just throw everything in doubt. And you're like, what?
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. But then you've always got that caveat of seen through the lens of an unreliable narrator.
Yeah.
Real. Yeah, nice.